In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Wix website with someone to edit in 2025. Sharing your website for collaborative editing can be a great way to enhance your site's functionality and design by bringing in additional expertise. Let's go through the steps together to ensure a smooth and efficient process. First, head to the Wix homepage. It's your main hub for managing your website, so it's important to be familiar with this area. Once there, you'll see an overview of all your sites and basic site metrics. Look for the Site Actions menu. It's usually a small button or link next to your site's name. Clicking this reveals a drop-down menu with various options. Next, choose Invite Collaborators. This is the feature that allows you to add others who can help you edit your website. New windows might pop up as you go along, guiding you through the invitation process. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure it's the correct email to avoid sending invitations to the wrong individual. It's worth double-checking your entry before proceeding to ensure a smooth process. After entering their email, you'll need to select a role for the collaborator. Wix offers different roles that dictate what level of access and control the individual will have. Flexibility in choosing roles is essential, so consider the person's skills and what you need them to do on your site. Typically, roles like website designer might be necessary if they are incrementally adjusting the visual side of the website. Once you've selected the appropriate role, check the checkbox for website designer if that applies. If you're unsure what role fits best, it's always good to revisit Wix's resource guidelines or even test multiple roles to see which aligns with the tasks. Then click Send Invite. This action dispatches an email to your collaborator, prompt them to accept the role, and gain access to edit the website. The next step involves choosing options on the This Invite is For tab. Specify whether it's a personal project or something for a colleague at my business. Each choice might come with different permissions and settings, so understanding what suits your needs is essential. Finally, click Done. At this point, your invitee should receive their invitation and follow the instructions to join your site as a collaborator. You can monitor who's accepted the invitation from your Wix dashboard. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to collaborate within the Wix ecosystem. Following these steps should help foster a productive working relationship with your collaborators, ultimately leading to a more robust and engaging web presence. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!